So are you trying to use the law of attraction but you're having trouble trusting the process? I want you to watch this video to learn how you can go from doubting the process to trusting that the universe has your back. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I am a psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop, and I post weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So if you like those type of videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every Thursday when I post. Letting go and trusting the process is sometimes way easier said than done. It's sometimes our anxiousness and our attachment to the outcome that can really cloud our ability to let go and just believe that the process will work. So by the end of this video, you will know practical ways to easily trust the process of the law of attraction. So I want to empower you to believe in your divine right to everything your heart desires. And as a psychologist, it has been my honor to help people align their beliefs with what they want. So in this video, I hope the tips help you trust the process, and let's just get started. My first tip in trusting the process and law of attraction is to recall times in your past where you've prayed for things and gotten what you want. This will help your brain wrap itself around the fact that you can trust the process. See, there's times in the past that I prayed for something and I really received it and the process unfolded. So really remind yourself of those times, write them down, reread them if you have to, so your brain can start to easily unfold and allow this trusting process to begin. My next tip is to set the intention. So you want to increase your ability to trust the process of the law of attraction. Use the law of attraction to do so. I want you to set the intention, or you can even pray for more faith. I want you to set the intention to have more trust in the universe and use every manifestation technique or whatever system you use to manifest to be able to do this. If you want really easy tips on Manifestation 101, if you don't even know how to get started on that, I'll link a video that I have in the description below. But my first tip, my second tip is to just set it as an intention, set it as something that you want, and pray for increased faith and increased trust in the process of the law of attraction. My third tip is to take leaps of faith, right? If you want to start trusting the process, your actions are going to help your mindset get into tune with what it is that you want to start doing. So start taking those leaps of faith, start taking those actions that will require faith. And the more that you do that and you see that things either work out in your favor or you're able to adjust and overcome, you'll know that you have the ability to trust that process. You'll know that even if you take actions that lead to challenges, they're shaping you into who you need to become to manifest what you want. So take those leaps of faith. Take the actions, even if you're not fully trusting in the process just yet, and know that those actions will help you get there. Along with that, my fourth tip is to know that failures are just stepping stones to greatness. If you're having trouble trusting the process, you may be running into some obstacles or some resistance or challenges in life that are making you think that the process doesn't work. But know those challenges, those obstacles were sent here to mold you, and they will be helping you along the way. Just because it's something difficult doesn't mean it's not something worthy of helping you get to where you need to be, and know that that's all part of the process. And along those lines, my next tip is to enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, really lean into the present moment and knowing that the process is something that you can enjoy. It doesn't have to be looked upon as something that you have to endure. It can be looked upon as something that is exciting and is joyful and that you're grateful for. And my last tip on trusting the process of the law of attraction and trusting that the universe has your back is to detach from the outcome. Once we're able to release our expectations, release our attachment to how our manifestations are going to come to us, release our attachment to when our manifestations are come to us. Once we're able to let those things go, kind of release our attachment to the outcome and our expectations, we are opening ourselves to allow the universe to work in the way that it needs to work to give us what we need. We get out of our own way. We stop forcing, we stop trying to control, and we're able really to receive and let the process unfold. So that's my last most important tip, is to let go and detach from the outcome. If you want some more tips on how to do that, I have a whole video on how to do that, so I won't go into it here, and I'll just link that in the description below. But know that that's a crucial step, and if you already have your own strategies for letting go and detaching, please write them them in the comments below. Let's help each other out and share with each other. If you have any questions about anything that I discussed as far as trusting the process, write those in the comments as well. I respond to 100% of my comments and would be happy to start a dialogue and a conversation more on this topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these tips really help you trust the process and allow the law of attraction to work for you in your favor. If you are looking for how to use the manifestation in your everyday routine, I have a free manifestation routine guide, which I'll link below. Also know that this marble and rose gold Malabi necklace is from my store, Conscious Life Shop, and I will link a description to that below. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Happy manifesting and namaste.